Ciao from Calabria. My name is Christel and I'm from Space to Love, and this is Space to Love Quick Tips. Okay, so many people have asked me, how do you fold a fitted sheet? And it's amazing how we take things for granted sometimes when we just think, you know, people know how to do these things. I mean, my mother taught me, and now I'm going to show you. So anyways, we have a fitted sheet here, and what you want to do is basically find the corners. You want to start inside out though. So take two of the corners inside out like this, put them together, fold it over. And then you find the other two corners, and see, one's here, go right into the other one there, and then you have all the four corners together, and then you fold it over. And then you put it on a flat surface. Let me get this out of the way. And so now you sort of actually create that square that you usually can get with a fitted sheet, with a flat sheet, which is nice. And then just go over once, go over twice, and then you just fold it, 1, 2, 3. And there you have it, your fitted sheet. Thank you so much for watching. And if you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you want to know more about us at Space to Love, check us out at spacetolove.com. And of course, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, comment. We'd love to hear from you. Again, thanks so much for watching, and ciao from Calabria.